Let's make some flower bookmarks for spring. This is a brand new set from UV Resin. It features 12 bookmarks with 12 unique flowers. And what I love about this set is that the flowers are really big. There is a different set with smaller flowers, but I really like this one. So let's see, which one should we go with? How about this one? It also has leaves and an extra bud. So here are the supplies. I have colored UV resin. You can use hard type, dark type, or even the pearl ones. We have our bezel tape and our UV lamp. So it's really easy to get started making these bookmarks. Let's go ahead and grab a piece of tape. This is UV tape. This tape seals up the bezel so that the resin is contained. It's also transparent enough that the UV light can go through it. So we'll make sure everything is nice and sealed. We don't want any leaking of the resin. And I'm going to work directly on my lamp. This is a double-sided lamp so that it has lamps on top and bottom of this unit. And I usually put a little piece of plastic here just in case I make a mess. I'm going to be using some dark type UV resin. If you want it to be transparent, you can also use the hard type. Or you can mix and match. Use the toothpick to spread out the resin and also pop any bubbles. So we're done with the flower. Let's go ahead and cure it. And I'm just going to do 2 minutes. So here is our flower so far. It's looking so pretty. Here's the back. And now we can fill this in with whatever we want. I'm going to be using clear UV resin and also some lavender glitter. We're going to mix the glitter and resin first so that the glitter doesn't stick to the tape. Once we're done, we're going to cure it again. This time I'm going to go for 3 minutes. Okay. All right, everyone. I am super excited about this. Look how pretty this is. And it's so easy to make too. This literally took minutes. So let's peel off the tape. And here it is. Oh my goodness. So pretty. So here is the flower portion. Again, I used the dark type. This is the dark type, so this is opaque. If you use the hard type, this would be translucent, so you would be able to see through the resin. But this flower turned out so beautiful. I like the mix of the purple and pink. We have our green leaves here and of course our glitter. Super pretty. Let's look at this. And I like using UV resin because it hardens in just a few minutes. So you don't have to wait 24 hours for the epoxy resin to cure. And it is very hard, so you can see that this is not sticky or slimy. The UV resin from UV Resin is always high quality. And I always find myself reaching for that brand for pretty much everything that I do that is resin related. This kit also comes with some tassels, so you can put a tassel on your bookmark if you like. There are many different colors to choose from. I think let's go with this dark purple. And here is our bookmark with the tassel on. And I love that there are 11 more bookmarks to make from the set. And every one of them is unique, so you will not get any duplicates.